All right, boys. I think we got Bacon and Johnny. Bacon and Johnny. That's on the Johnny's on Victor's new bike. Oh, shit. Good race. Bacon got him. Holy smokes. Bacon won a race. Bacon won a damn race. Holy smokes. Oh, but don't look now. The big guns are coming out. Big guns around him. Oh, for freak's sakes. She ain't gonna start?
It might.
I won't watch.
Yeah,
Johnny about ate crap. Oh shit. Oh shit, Johnny. Johnny's popping the big wheelie. Oh crap. Oh crap. Alright, now you gotta race him. You got a Honda 5.5? 5.5? 6.5. 6.5. Oh shit. Hey, you're gonna get him off the line for sure.
Yeah, but everybody is.
Come on. Don't be scared.
How what the top one does.
Oh no.
I know it's on.
That sounds like choke. Oh, for freak's sakes, boys. We got another race for you. Got another race for you. Oh, I hear Johnny going again back there. I'd like to do a three-way race. That'd be sweet. Oh, Johnny's on a damn go-kart. Johnny's on the damn go-kart. Oh, careful, Johnny. Careful, Johnny. No brakes. Johnny's got no brakes. Trevor still running? Here's some smack talk going on here. We got a three-way race. Bacon got him off the line. Johnny's in front. Bacon's coming around. Trevor's coming in hot. Trevor's coming in hot. I think Trevor won if you count the end of the track. Holy smart, I can't see nothing. Oh, I'm getting seasick. I'm gonna go stable myself on my mailbox so I can see better. Freaking Johnny. Racing again. Started doing a high speed one. Oh shit! Trevor just ate shit. Trevor just wiped it. Trevor just laid her down, and I freaking missed it. It looks okay. He's in the middle of the damn road. Oh my god. We'll have to see what happened. Trevor. Freaking Trevor. Always full sending it. Cranks it right back up. Damn. Putting more scratches on the damn bike, Trevor. Watch, he'll send it again. Oh, he just blew a chain or something. What happened? Damage report. Oh. Oh.
There's a lot of it.
Bro. Dude, it says yuck.
I think it might be leaking too, man.
Dude, you ate it hard, bro.
Yeah. No, I was fine. The bike ate it hard.
Yeah, the bike did. I seen you bailed out.
These things are lifesavers. If I would have done that on any other bike, I'd have died.
Oh, I finally got you.
I don't think I got it, dude. I might have been zoomed out. I don't know if I got it.
I didn't think it was going to happen that way. Yeah.
What happened? You you hit the brakes, or
Yeah, and
you were trying to stop?
I had no tread, so I didn't stop.
It just slid sideways. Yeah.
It didn't slide sideways until I got to the end, and I didn't want to pull out in traffic, so I
Tried to turn it. Yeah.
I ripped my sock.
You ripped your sock. For frick's sakes. One more go.
We'll race in different
One more go.
Something with better tires.
Bacon, what is this?
My GoPro.
You ain't recording.
Yes, I am. The red dot.
You
I've been
won't.
recording the whole time.
Put it on boob tube. Did you get him on video, you think?
No. I don't know. Well, I was looking forward. So
Were you behind him?
possibly. Yeah. I was pulled up next to you, and then I saw the.
Oh, you were a little further back. You might be able to zoom in, though.
Yeah.
I think he got it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, he might have got it. I'll have him send me the video.
All the bags popped open and everything.
Oh, my Lord.
Yeah. This. I don't know what's flying up.
Yeah, this one broke. The hinge broke because